Hi everyone, how are you? お元気ですか? I'm Toshiko Jackson. Today, I'll be teaching you the basic greetings in Japanese. When you first arrive in Japan, you need to speak in a formal manner until you get to know the people. And then you will be able to use a more casual language. Today, we'll teach you many phrases, first in a formal way, and then in a casual and informal way. I would also like you to repeat after me, and that will help you remember these new phrases. Of course, you will need to watch this video series several times in order to remember them. So, our first lesson is the phrase, How do you do? Which is, はじめまして. はじめ means a beginning. まして is a kind of polite ending of the phrase. So, please repeat after me. はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして。The next phrase is to introduce yourself. For example, my name is Toshiko, which is 私はトシコです。If your name is John, you can say 私はジョンです。Please repeat after me. 私はジョンです。私はジョンです。私はジョンです。As you can see, words ending in su are pronounced as s and not as s. For example, 私はジョンです。And not 私はジョンです。To say nice to meet you is どうぞよろしく. Please repeat after me. どうぞよろしく. 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 Next is, how are you? お元気ですか? Please repeat. お元気ですか? 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 To respond with yes, I'm fine, that is はい、おかげさまで. Or informal casual phrase will be はい、元気です. Please repeat the formal phrase. はい、おかげさまで. 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 Please repeat the informal phrase. はい、元気です。はい、元気です。はい、元気です。The formal Japanese word for yes is はい. Please repeat. はい。はい。はい. And the informal word for yes is ええ. Please repeat after me. ええ。ええ。ええ。 The word for no is いいえ. Please repeat after me. いいえ. 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 The informal phrase for good morning is おはよう. Please repeat. おはよう。おはよう。おはよう。And the formal phrase for good morning is おはようございます。Please repeat. おはようございます。おはようございます。おはようございます。The phrase for good afternoon or hello is こんにちは. Please repeat after me. こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。And the phrase for good evening is こんばんは. Please repeat. こんばんは。こんばんは。こんばんは。And goodbye is さようなら. Please repeat. さようなら。さようなら。さようなら。And the informal greeting for see you is じゃ、また. Please repeat. じゃ、また。じゃ、また。じゃ、また。And the polite phrase for see you is では、また会いましょう. Please repeat. では、また会いましょう。では、また会いましょう。では、また会いましょう。To say good night, that is, おやすみなさい. Please repeat. おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。or おやすみ. That is the shortened form and it is used at one's homes. Please repeat. おやすみ。おやすみ。おやすみ。The informal way to say thank you, that is ありがとう. Please repeat. ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。And the polite form is ありがとうございます. Please repeat. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。To say I'm sorry, it is すみません. Please repeat. すみません。すみません。すみません。すみません is also used for thank you and excuse me. There is also another informal phrase for apologies. That is, ごめんなさい. Please repeat. ごめんなさい. 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 And finally, the formal phrase for excuse me, that is, 失礼します. Please repeat. 失礼します. 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 I would also like to show you the formal way to bow for men and women. The most important people to bow to are customers, elders, and higher ranking people. You can also bow to thank or apologize to people. There are slight differences in the way men and women bow. Men place their arms on the side of their thighs. Depending on the significance of the occasion, the angle of the bow alters. For occasions of greater significance, men will bow lower and pause for longer periods, whereas for less significant occasions, men bow almost at a 45-degree angle. A small bow can be used in everyday situations. The way to bow for women is to place their hands together in front. Women also follow the same rules as men, like to bow deeper for occasions of greater significance. Men and women must respect the rule to keep their eye level approximately a meter in front of the respective person's feet. It is considered disrespectful to look into the eyes of the respective person whilst bowing.